So earlier this year, I made a bird feeder to hang at my shop. Unfortunately, the squirrels decided they liked it too. On top of running off all the birds and eating all the food, they ate part of the feeder as well. For the last few months, I've been using a little wire bird feeder, and it seems to work well. It gave me the idea to fix the old one up and add some wire mesh to it. Now that I have it on the workbench, you can see how they chewed around where the birdseed came out. I'm not going to repaint it, but I want to clean up a little of the leftover glue and clean the edges of the hole. The plan is to cut a little piece of half-inch plywood go over the front, sandwiching a piece of mesh between it and the bird feeder. After measuring what I needed, I cut down a little piece of scrap. I think it might even be the same wood I originally made the feeder. A little clamping and a big hole saw in my drill press made quick work of cutting a half circle out of the bottom. Here I'm just measuring and cutting the mesh that I'll use. It's some stainless steel scrap I picked up a while back. The hole seems small enough to keep squirrel hands out, but let bird beaks through. Most of what I have around the shop are small birds like wrens and blue jays, but there's a family of ravens I'd really like to encourage to eat here. I decided to put a little bend at the bottom of the mesh. This way there's no risk of anything sticking its hand underneath and getting stuck. Clamping between two pieces of wood made it easy. Now I just need a little paint. The black should stand out nicely against the red, but honestly I use it because I had a can of black spray paint sitting around. Now it's time for assembly. There are no special tricks here. 4 screws hold the new piece of plywood onto the old piece of plywood and clamp the mesh in between. With everything done, I just have to hang it back up and add some bird feed. I'm using suet pellets because they're big enough not to fall through the screen, but soft enough for the birds to pick it apart. I'm recording this voiceover a few days after hanging it back up. I'm happy to say that the birds have already started to use it, and so far no squirrels have messed with it. Thank you for watching.